we're in the car and we're not on a plane. And that's because we decided to get out of the house and go to Long Island, which is about an hour or so drive from where we live in Brooklyn. We really don't know what we're going to get up to. We definitely know we want to like get some food, maybe go to a few little villages, go to a park, see some of the fall leaves, see some autumn. We're also testing out mics because we know the audio on some of our videos can be a little wonky. So we're testing. This video is to test out the mics. We also got a drone, so we're gonna see how we do with that, and so hopefully you'll see some of those clips as well if we can get it together. But yeah, we really just are out here. We have a big trip coming up, so we decided to stay local for the month of November. But stay tuned for our big trip vlogs or videos that are going to come out. All right, let's go. Our first stop on our little Long Island, I don't know what we call it, day trip, is Huntington, New York, which is about like an hour from where we live, an hour from Brooklyn. We went to Soul Brew, I think it's called. They have 3 locations. We couldn't really record inside because we were playing loud music and, copyright, but we'll put in some B-roll. I got a chicken melt, which is like a tuna melt, but with chicken.
And I got a soul burrito and a caramel latte.
Oh, I got a white mocha. What was it? A white mocha.
I think I got a pumpkin spice.
But it was like white mocha pumpkin spice or something. It was really good. It wasn't like too sweet. It was really good. The cafe is really cute. I wish that we had like a little cafe like that where we live, because I would work from there a decent amount of time. But we're just walking around the little town.
Huntington town.
Huntington town. And then we're going to go to a national park or like a little park to see the fall, like foliage and stuff like that. We're just trying to get out the house, honestly.
We are at Comset National Park, and we're just walking around. We're going to see what's over here. Maybe fly the drone for a little bit.
Entry was supposed to be $8, but I think maybe because it's a holiday, there's a little fee, so we got them for free. Oh, look at that. What is it?
What? Trees?
No, the brown. Okay. I'm so nervous.
Turn it towards us.
Okay, that's up and down.
Why is it beeping like that?
It's too windy. Okay. How do you turn home? Please don't drop. Land.
Landing.
Okay. Okay. All right, it's way louder than I thought it would be, the drone. And it's fucking cold out here. So I thought there would be some sun, but obviously not. So you want to try? So these are grasslands. I was like wondering what this is. So it's grasslands.
Oh.
Did you press record?
Oh shit, no I didn't. Getting all this beautiful footage. Hey Bambi. It's not afraid of people, I don't think. Oh, there's a deer. That's it.
No.
The deer isn't afraid of us.
How do you know you haven't gotten close to it?
When I used to wake up in upstate New York, as soon as we get to the door, the deer would bolt. Like, they wouldn't be anywhere near us.
Uh-oh.
This one is like, does not care.
You think it'll let you get close to it? Can't see it?
Not that close. What a waste. What are you doing?
I know.
Okay, we're walking back to the car. We didn't spend a lot of time here, but you know, we got a couple shots and we did a little walk, but we are going to go to this cider place, cider mill.
So this about not trail. It's about 2 miles. But because I want to make sure we get to the cider mill before it closes, we walked about half of it, and so we're walking back a mile.
Yep. I don't know what this building is, but maybe we'll tell you later.
We stumbled across the walled garden. Let's go see. It's probably not like beautiful because it's fall, almost winter, but oh, I mean, it's not like, what's the word, blossoming, but it's still kind of pretty. I think the leaves have fallen already.
Wow, so this is the map of the Clausewitz State Historic Park Preserve. There's a barn, the comfort station, concession area, dining area, there's the maintenance museum, there's a nest platform, there's a park office, there's a parking area, there's a scenic view, there's a visitor center, there's a walled garden. We're not covering most of that, but we went to a couple of those places. So we went to the walled garden. Yeah, and then there's these trails, and we went down one of them. Eventually, the trails lead you to the Long Island Sound, but we did not make it that far. We probably made it like a quarter of the way.
Don't be like us and skip this section. We drove right past it because you can download, they have a free app. So the app will give you access to the different trails in the park. So you literally, there's what, how many trails? I don't know, but there's no way you can do them all in one day. So come and download the app.
Because their buoyancy is high enough? I don't know. Oh, the volume.
It's like in a bag.
203 here. How many pounds of apples are in a 10-inch apple pie?
Yeah, literally.
How many apples does it take to make a gallon of cider?
Oh, you didn't guess.
There probably looks like
5'5".
It's 1820.
You have a hat on too. 5'5".
No, it's like
5'5".
No,
5'5".
no.
Jericho Cider Mill is known for its traditional cider making process, offering fresh apple cider donuts, and other apple related products.
We got some apple cider, regular plain old apple cider, and apple cider donuts, and some apple-filled crumb donuts. We also each got frozen apple cider.
I think it's only $3 for
Yeah.
drinks.
Altogether, this was like $30. Not too bad. Da-da-da-da-da. Apple cider donuts from Jericho Cider Mill. You didn't need all that sugar.
Yeah, there's like sugar on top. It's delicious, but
I would like dust off the sugar.
yeah, I don't need the sugar either. It's kind of too sweet.
This is why I got another flavor. You pretty much know what you're getting with the apple cider donut.
Can't really go wrong. Unless it was stale, and it's not. It's good. But yeah.
I would hope not.
I thought maybe it would say like we got the one with the sugar on top and then we could have gotten it without, but you didn't have a choice. Since 1820. Yo.
203 years. You're gonna wash down that sugar with some more sugar. This is the apple-filled crumb donuts.
Yeah, I just need a bite. Okay, baby.
It looks good. Let's do a...
Apple.
Let's do it at the same time.
Okay.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Mmm.
That's good.
That is way better. I like that better.
The top isn't like sugar.
Yeah, it's just like crumb.
Yeah, like maybe like pie crust crumb, maybe?
Yeah. But the filling is like a good balance, so it's not too dry.
And it's not overly sweet. That's good. But you made a mess.
You don't need more than one.
Don't eat it in your car.
All right. Have a frozen apple cider.
Let me show you. We drank some already. But they had hot too. So cheers.
It's very refreshing.
It's really good. Also not overly sweet. This would be so good if it was hot, like a hot day or a warm day. It's very good. Very good.
Yep.
It's actually frozen, not like fake frozen.
Now we're on to the next place.
Where are we going?
I forgot.
You don't know. Which one is it?
Yeah, you told me once.
Milleridge Village. It's not far.
All right. We'll see you in the next clip.
We're at this cute little village. If you're into Christmas, they also like it becomes a Halloween village, a Christmas village, probably a few other holidays, called Milleridge Village. Oh my God, someone love this. Look, it's so many. So cute. It's a cafe.
General store.
Which listen, I wouldn't mind a glass of wine. It's a wine bar. We know this is not a normal content, but we hope that you enjoyed spending this random day with us. Be on the lookout for our next video series and follow us on Instagram if you want live/daily updates of our travels.